Welcome to my channel. I request my viewers to subscribe, like this video, since we are facing a lot of problem regarding Ignou's ID card. How to download ID card? We tried and we tried, and but we didn't get any success till now. But today I was searching, browsing this website, so I found one technique to download Ignou's ID card. Since I've taken my admission for the session 2020, so for this you need to go to this portal, which I have given a link to my description box, and you can go to this, and for that you have to go below, just uh, log into this, the user ID. So it's a common thing. You just enter your password, now captcha, and then login. Okay, after login, what you see is home, my application, my transaction, admission, dispensary, apply new program. So I'll go to my application. After this you will see control number in the first second enrollment number, which is of 10 digit. So this is a new system of Ignou for 2020 session, so they have not updated anything like regarding books, like for ID and all. So in this portal you will just go down and see there is a print payment acknowledgement. Click print application form, and admission status is admission confirmed, and ID card. Use your ID, use your enrollment number as password. So let's download this. To download this you have to click download. Then I have already downloaded it, so I'll just go to the download. Okay, then I'll show you. Just okay, password is I have to see password. A password is my enrollment number. I'll just copy this enrollment number and I'll go to my downloads. So after this I'll open this, I'll paste this as a password, and I'll just open it. So this is my enrollment number this, and for the year, okay, for the year 2020. Okay, this is the process how you can download this.